In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Facebook with Google account. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in facebook.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Facebook. You can see over here, you'll be able to log in to your account. Now in Facebook, you won't be able to see the direct option for logging in with your Google account. But what you can do is simply log in with your Gmail account associated with your Google account. For that, click on the field of email or phone number. Now what you have to do is simply enter your Gmail address over here. Now after you do that, enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forgot password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you do that, click on this option, login, that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Now after you do that, you'll be logged into your Facebook using the Gmail account. So that is how you log in Facebook with Google account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.